what I wanted to share with you today, I've been getting some comments on this because I've been sharing this diagram here, or this image. I'll get more into that in just a minute. But I've been sharing that with people because uh, it's my belief that finding a niche to work in as a coach or even as a business in general, quite frankly, it's important to niche your marketing. It's important to niche your business. And I'll get more into that. It's different for business owners and it's different for coaches. But I'm going to stick specifically with coaches so that I can keep this conversation on point. And I look forward, and I say conversation because I look forward to your feedback. Look, this is my personal opinion and my personal experience, and there's many other opinions and experiences out there. And I love the dialogue, and I love to have this conversation. So, what I'm getting at is that it's important as a coach, and specifically a business coach, a business consultant, a business strategist. It's important to niche your business so that you know who to talk to, so that you know where those people are at, the people that you want to talk to, the business owners you want to talk to, you know who they are. Because I hear all the time, Wally, I don't know who to talk to. Well, who's your niche? Service-based business, business to business, um, uh, veteran-owned business, black-owned business, uh, female-owned business, woman-owned business, whatever. Those are not niches. Those are categories, and they're very broad categories of industries. And even if you say restaurants, okay, still you can niche even further. Mexican restaurants, Italian restaurants, vegan restaurants, pubs, right? Think of John Taffer that specifically works with bars, but he works with bars that are inside restaurants most of the time, right? So if you look at your specialists, if you look at the people, the big names in business, most of them work in a specific niche, right? And that's why they're well known. Generalists are not generally well known. When is it important to be a generalist though? When does it help you? When is it an advantage? Well, if you have a strategic alliance or a joint venture with anybody who serves other businesses, whether it's business brokers, accountants, um, printers, sign companies, bookkeepers, CPAs, HR companies, you name it, all of the, and there's many others that you could list, promoters, right, that do all kinds of promotion type of merchandise and stuff like that. All of their clients, or 90% of their clients, are business owners, and they're all over the spectrum. So if you have a strategic alliance or a joint venture with one of those folks, you don't want to narrow yourself too much because you can help many of their clients who are struggling, right? And there's a whole other module specifically on setting up joint ventures and strategic alliances within the virtual MBA that you can get access to. Also, specifically within your profit acceleration software, you have specifically information just for joint ventures. So make sure that you go check that out as well. Here's a whole section here specifically on joint ventures with all of these different industries, with how to talk to them, all the marketing, all that kind of stuff. So, but staying on track specifically with generating your own niche or creating your own niche. And yeah, you can actually create your own niche. That's a whole other conversation that goes deeper on deciding what niche you're going to work for, but you can literally create your own niche.